Hi, I'm Emily Lakdawalla, and this is Where We Are for October 2018. Beginning at our nearest neighbor, the Moon, Chang'e 3 is doing ultraviolet astronomy from the surface, while Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter looks down from above. Beyond the Moon, the Chuqiao relay satellite is waiting for the Chang'e 4 lander to launch. There are currently 4 spacecraft sitting 1.5 million kilometers closer to the Sun than we are at the L1 point. Wind, ACE, Discover, and SOHO all watch the Sun to give us early warning of solar storms. Let's zoom out beyond Earth. 4 spacecraft are dotted along Earth's orbit like beads on a string. Stereo A and B are studying the backside of the Sun, while Spitzer and Kepler are doing their astronomy thing in an orbit that trails Earth. Kepler's almost out of fuel and probably won't last out 2019. There are 2 more missions exploring near Earth's orbit. Japan's Hayabusa 2 is up close and personal with a tiny asteroid Ryugu and expects to land on it this year. Meanwhile, OSIRIS-REx is slowly approaching the even tinier asteroid Bennu. And here, Japan's Akatsuki is studying Venus. They recently celebrated their 1,000th day in orbit. Now let's fly outward beyond Earth almost to Mars. InSight is barreling in toward its impending Mars landing. Already at Mars, there are 8 more ongoing missions. 6 orbiters from the US, ESA, and India, and 2 rovers. We don't know, though, if Opportunity is alive or not. Hang in there, little buddy, and call home soon. Moving beyond Mars, we get to the main asteroid belt, where Dawn is studying Ceres from super close up. Like Kepler, Dawn is running on fumes and may not last out the year, but it's been a wildly successful mission. Next stop, Jupiter, where Juno's orbiting over the poles, studying Jupiter gravity and getting fantastic photos. They just finished their 15th perijove pass and will do 2 more before the year is over. Unfortunately, there are no spacecraft at Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune, so our penultimate stop is in the Kuiper Belt, where New Horizons is fast approaching 2014 MU-69 for its New Year's Day flyby. They just caught their first sight of the very tiny, very faint, very dark target. Finally, both Voyagers are still talking to us from way beyond the Kuiper Belt, about 3 times farther away than the Kuiper Belt, in fact, sending us science from the edge of interstellar space.